I define creativity as the ability to have an idea and innovation as the ability to get it done.
How can we maximize our creativity when we're working remotely?
Where are you and what are you doing when you get your best ideas?
Okay, we're at 50%, 70, 80%. Oh, new record. Come on, let's break through. Ending the polling and sharing the results.
Jogging! Wow, that's a first. Now I'm going to invite you to fold them the other way. Now, how does that feel? Created by Walt Disney for the film Fantasia. Have you ever thrown out an idea to have it shot down?
Nice to meet you. So I'm going to come at you with some Star Wars ideas. What if we did a glow-in-the-dark lightsaber party?
And we can involve kids to do like the Baby Yoda from The Mandalorian.
Okay, so question. Do you think our idea got bigger or smaller?
Definitely bigger.
The moment you can transfer the power of my idea to our idea is the moment you accelerate its opportunity to get done. The first barrier we found, and by far the number one, was I don't have time to think.
Diversity is innovation. If people don't look like you, they don't think like you. And if they don't think like you, they can help you think differently.
Come on, let's have a look at the houses.
Oh my god, that was so inspiring. And it's gonna be such a nice addition to the workshop I'm gonna do in a few weeks.